Hi, my name is Chuya. My topic is invention of the airplane. Come on. The modern story of aviation is complex. For centuries, there were demonstrations to take flight, most of them failing. But in the 18th century, humans began to experience with hot air balloons that managed to rise in the air but had the disadvantage of not being able to be controlled. This problem was already overcome in the 19th century with the construction of the first airship with the allowed air control at the beginning of the same century. Many investigators the fly with gliders, making capable of staying control flight for some time, and also began to build the first airplane equipped with engines, but that even being proper by by external aid hardly succeed. Take off and travel a few miles. I was not until the year 20th century that the first successful flights were produced. On December 16, 19 or 30, the Wright brothers became the first to make a flight in a controlled plane. However, some claim that this honor belonged to Alberto Santos Dumont, who made his flight on September 30, 1906. Thank you.